Hey, quick question. When was the last time you checked your credit card balance and actually felt good about it? Yeah, I thought so. Right now, Americans owe over $1.17 trillion in credit card debt. That's trillion with a T. And chances are you're part of that statistic, even if you don't want to be. But here's what's wild. Most people don't even know why it's happening to them. It's not just about buying too much stuff. There's actual psychology at play here, designed to keep you swiping. So today, we're breaking down exactly why credit card debt is exploding in America, the sneaky tricks keeping you trapped, and most importantly, how you can actually escape it. Let's get into it. All right, so why is credit card debt skyrocketing right now? First up, inflation. Everything costs more. Gas, groceries, rent, you name it. But here's the thing. Wages didn't magically go up to match, so people are bridging the gap with, you guessed it, credit cards. According to the Federal Reserve, the average credit card balance hit over $6,500 per person in 2024. And for a lot of folks, that number's way higher. But it's not just inflation. There's something else going on. We live in the age of one-click everything. You see an ad on Instagram at 11 p.m. and boom, it's at your door by Thursday. There's zero friction between wanting something and buying it. And credit cards, they make that even easier. Oh, and let's not forget buy now, pay later. It sounds harmless, but it's just debt in disguise. You're still spending money you don't have. So yeah, rising costs, instant gratification culture, and easier access to credit. That's the perfect storm. Now let's talk about the sneaky part, the psychology behind why it's so hard to stop. Trap number one, the minimum payment illusion. You get your statement and it says minimum payment $35. And you think, oh, that's not bad, I can do that. But here's what they don't tell you in big letters. If you only pay the minimum on a $5,000 balance at 20% interest, it'll take you over 15 years to pay off, and you'll end up paying almost $10,000 total. 15 years for a couch you'll probably replace in 3. Trap number 2, rewards and points. Don't get me wrong, I love a good cashback deal, but credit card companies know that rewards make you spend more. Studies show people spend up to 18% more when using credit versus cash because it doesn't feel like real money. And every time you swipe and get points, little dopamine hit. Your brain literally rewards you for spending. Trap number 3, lifestyle creep. You get a raise, awesome. But instead of saving that extra $200 a month, you upgrade your car, move to a nicer apartment, start eating out more. Your spending rises with your income, sometimes faster than your income. So you're making more, but you're not actually getting ahead. You're just running faster on the same treadmill. Part 3, how to escape. Okay, enough doom and gloom. Let's talk solutions, real ones. Step 1, face the number. I know it's scary, but you have to know exactly how much you owe across all your cards. Write it down, put it in a spreadsheet. Just get it out of your head and onto paper. Step 2, pick a payoff strategy. 2 popular methods. Debt avalanche. Pay off the card with the highest interest rate first. Saves you the most money. Debt snowball. Pay off the smallest balance first. Gives you quick wins and momentum. Honestly, pick whichever one keeps you motivated. The best plan is the one you'll actually stick to. Step 3, automate your payments. Set up autopay for at least the minimum, but ideally more. That way you never miss a payment, which keeps your credit score safe and avoids late fees. Step 4, stop the bleeding. If you're still adding to your debt every month, nothing else matters. You gotta stop using the cards. Freeze them. Delete them from your browser autofill. Do whatever it takes. And yeah, that might mean saying no to stuff, skipping brunch, not upgrading your phone this year. It's not forever, but it's necessary. Step 5, increase your income or cut your expenses, ideally both. Sell stuff you don't use, pick up a side gig, cancel subscriptions you forgot about. Every extra dollar you throw at that debt shortens your timeline. Even an extra $50 a month makes a difference. Conclusion. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Getting out of credit card debt is hard. It takes discipline, sacrifice, and time, but it's so worth it. Imagine waking up and not owing anyone anything. Imagine your paycheck being yours again. That's the freedom we're aiming for. And here's the thing. You're not broken. You're not bad with money. You just got caught in a system that's designed to keep you spending. But now you know the game, and that means you can win it. So pick one step from this video, just one. Maybe it's facing your balance. Maybe it's setting up auto pay. Maybe it's cutting up a card. Just start. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more real talk about money. Drop a comment and let me know what's your biggest credit card struggle right now. Thanks for watching. Now go take control of your money. You got this.